Hello friends, in this video I am going to share with you a new big Telegram airdrop. If you have missed dogs, citizen, you must join this airdrop. All you need to do, I will provide the link in the description. Just click on the link. It will open like this. It will give you some points based on your Telegram age. Okay, and if you do some refers, it will give you 10k points for Telegram premium user. If you refer any premium user, you will get 50k points. And if you connect your Tonekeeper wallet, you will get 50k points. Also, there is nothing to do, just tap 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 and collect points. This is a one of biggest exchange in the world, like Binance and some others which are also exchanges, and this is also one of the biggest exchange. When you click on here X kucoin, you will go to the trading page of this platform, which is now available on Telegram.